have our tickets ready for an adventure at Busch Gardens Tampa Bay, the site of Howl-O-Scream 2021. This is our first recording at this type of event, so we weren't sure what filming permissions we were and were not allowed to do. So in this video, you will see 4 out of the 5 houses and some scare zones. We took this picture here for you to view the map, and just in case you want some more information about Busch Gardens Tampa Bay Howl-O-Scream 2021, we made sure to include their QR code to help assist you with all their additional information about this event. But before we start our scary adventure, let's check out some merch that is available when you arrive at Busch Gardens Tampa Bay Howl-O-Scream 2021.
That'd be too obvious.
Oh, this is the don't get scared.
It's a Nobu?
Yeah, the Nobu necklace.
Nobu necklace? Oh, sweet tooth. That's cool.
Pump for candy.
Pump for candy. After life of a party.
This one. For this sheet. That is $29.99.
Iron Gwazi. Looking pretty sweet at night. Look how sweet that looks. So cool. Cannot wait.
In the shadows. Oh gosh.
Into the shadows.
No, in the shadows.
Oh. Yeah. There's anything but shadows. That looks creepy.
There's one right there on the left. That's cool.
Whoa. That was definitely scary. That was scary a bit. I didn't see him.
Oh no.
That's a different type of bush. That's a different type of bush.
I want his photo.
You're gonna try to get his photo? I don't know if it's a good idea. Oh, man, watch out.
Oh, my flash came on.
Sorry for the flash. Didn't see that one coming.
I saw it.
The lighting is amazing here. I love it. Got her.
What have we here now? Captain's gonna like you, sir.
Yeah?
Yeah, you're gonna make for some great bait.
The residence was the first of the houses we entered without knowing if we were allowed to film inside the house. With this being said, we will give you our ticket ratings on this house in the lower corners of the video. We do apologize for not going back to recapture this house.
Bunny coming. So, deadly toys, huh?
Yep, deadly toys.
Oh, there you go. It must be a cast change. We might have gotten lucky here.
Well, it's not lucky though, because then you don't see anything.
Yeah, well, the setup's nice. Setup's nice, that's about it. Yeah, not really anything here. No?
There we go. Oh, he's the one that got me earlier.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh, the panda.
Oh man, that was a little crazy.
That was lame. I'm just being bluntly honest. There was like 2 people. It was lame. We're gonna do this. I'm gonna be truthfully honest. They are little. They are little. There's 3 of them right here.
Oh man.
I like the doors.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Stare at her. Oh, look at that one.
Wow.
You gotta push to that mouth.
Wow. That's the end of that one. Let's probably walk on this side. Shortcut.
I don't think it's a shortcut.
Is it a shortcut? It's a smoke.
Get her? Someone came up right next to her.
Didn't.
Can't walk too late. What's that one?
Got too many people. It's one.
Okay, alright.
Ooh. Wow, look at this.
Come back this way if you want.
You just go around that way too. This is a nice setup. Look at
Right?
this.
It's really cool.
Wow.
Right hand?
Always. It's my hand. Going in. Here we go. She's gonna be scared. She's gonna be scared.
Las caminos que te aman, ojos hacia adelante. Todos los reclusos deben cumplir con las búsquedas si son seleccionados.
Uh-oh. Must be a cast change.
Será recibido con fuerza extrema. Gracias por tu cooperación.
Oh, we go a different way. Oh, different way. Not the same way. Oh, man. Jar. Oh. Nothing so far.
The guy reached out for me.
Oh. I got it. Oh man. Oh man. Oh.
We need nightmare vision so we can see when we walk through these.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Look at all this. Oh! Oh! Man. Whoops, say them. What's gonna happen here? Oh man. Oh man.
I feel like I'm pushing you.
No, you're not. You're good. Oh, whoa! Ho, ho, ho. Oh! Got her! That got her. My hand was in the way, but got her. Oh. Oh. Oh man. It's loud. It's loud. It's crazy. All right, what did you overall think of that one?
That was really good.
Did you like that?
Better than the first one, for
That was.
sure.
That
Yeah.
was. That was definitely a good one.
Yeah, that one definitely had more scares than the
Why do I
other.
feel like it's not over?
Yeah, I know, right?
It feels like it's not over yet. Oh, okay. We made it. We survived.
We did it!
We survived. Ready? We're first. Oh. Oh, it's a spinny thing. Oh, wow. That's messing me up. That's messing me up. Oh, that's messing me up.
That makes me so sick. Maybe it's that thing.
Oh,
Came up on the side of me.
as always. Oh, and he did it again. Oh, watch out. Watch
On
out.
the camera, they're like focus more on you.
Most definitely. Oh man. What's happening here?
Hurt my hip.
Yeah. Whoa! Whoa!
I like vlogging. What I said. Where you going?
I'm getting everything here.
Is this the one that has the flying thing?
I don't know. Oh! Oh! Snakes? Why did it have to be snakes? Oh!
I called it. I thought this was a flying person.
Oh!
Oh, that's
Oh
awesome.
man! Oh! Wow!
That was awesome. Okay.
That was fun.
That might be number one now. I don't know. It's a hard one to tell.
Hard one. Well, so far this is definitely. Review will happen afterwards for sure, but still, this is.
Now, house number 3.
This.
He's gonna try to get it.
That so far has taken for sure top spot.
Yeah.
Gonna do the junkyard. Wow, look at this setup. Whoa! Oh, man. Ah! Wow.
Number 1.
That's a really cool thing. Whoa!
I love how open this one is, and then it's all outside.
Yeah. Exactly.
Oh goodness.
Got her. Got her.
Behind us. So doing leaf blowers.
Oh! Witch of the Woods. All right.
Witch of the Woods. Wow. There's someone welcoming us to the woods. Goodness.
Ooh, this is crazy. This is actually pretty crazy here. It is cool.
Pretty cool.
It is cool.
This might be number 1. Oh, that's a lot of fun. No, it's starting to like. It's starting to burn my throat.
Ooh.
Maybe you can go inside.
No, I don't think so.
Oh, no, don't go inside.
I don't think so.
Ankle biter! I was about to push you in that house.
Wow. Yeah, I know, right? It's like
I
we're,
saw it, well, they disappeared. So I thought that they went inside there.
yeah, just
I see a shadow.
That's crazy. Whoa. Little tunnel here. Bridge. It's a little crazy here. I'm guessing something big's gonna happen here. Man!
Oh my gosh.
Oh!
That was awesome.
Oh man! Uh-oh. Oh man! Oh! Wow, this is crazy. This is crazy. Whoa! Whoa! Somehow we're moving faster. Go figure. Whoa! Whoa! Oh man! Whoa! You get a little confused a little bit here. Like, where are you going? Oh, this isn't good. Oh! Oh! Oh man! Oh! Oh no, wrong way. We did it. We went the wrong way. I saw the exit. Oh, not good. Whoa! Oh man, that was long and crazy.
Definitely number one.
Wow, that was insane right there. Totally insane.
Yeah. Oh, check this out.
Ooh,
Yeah.
ooh. Look at her.
That's awesome.
Look at that.
This is definitely number one for
Wow,
sure.
this is awesome. Wow. Just doesn't stop. Just when you think you're done.
Yeah.
Just when you think you're done.
You think that you're like completely done, and it just keeps going.
That's crazy.
So cool.
With the lighting and the.
Yeah. New house, and it topped.
Wow.
Topped.
Awesome job.
Yeah.
Awesome job.
Forgotten.
Forgotten. That got me. That got me. Oh boy. Oh man.
Your arm hurt?
Maybe. Oh, it's not bad. Look at this thing here.
We're in line almost 50 minutes.
Wow. Look at that. Whoa. Whoa. Oh!
That was awesome.
Whoa. Whoa. Oh! Yikes. Oh man. Crazy. So what'd you
I
think?
don't think it's over.
You don't think it's over? You don't think it's over?
No.
You think there's more?
It was pretty good, but
Yeah?
I don't know, I would say like third or fourth.
So in the middle again, like, or?
Yeah, it wasn't like, I wouldn't say it was one of my tops, especially with the weight. You know what I mean?
Because it was, what was the weight on that?
We got in line at 11:07. It's 11:58.
Okay.
So it was almost an hour wait.
Okay.
So I didn't feel like it was worth the almost hour wait.
True.
So
True.
those little girls were right. They were like,
What was this to the little girls
right?
before you enter something?
But, I mean, it was good. I wouldn't say it was like,
The theming was nice.
right.
The
Yeah,
theming was
the
nice.
was definitely good.
The theming was nice.
The scares were good. I
Yeah.
would say like it wasn't as bad as the one that you could tell that they were maybe like short on actors.
Uh-huh.
So it was definitely top that. I would say like probably third,
Okay.
maybe fourth.
Okay.
I don't know. I'd have to like recap again.
And that concludes our trip to Busch Gardens Tampa Bay Howl-O-Scream 2021. We appreciate you coming along on our adventure. If you enjoyed this adventure, please take the time to like our video. Leave a comment on your thoughts about Busch Gardens Tampa Bay Howl-O-Scream 2021. And as always, hit that subscribe button so we can deliver more content to you here on Ticket for Two.